Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Our today's amazing assignment is based on Sadhana workbook, Objective Bank. For this you can refer our workbook, page number 33, right? Let us start our session. First question, all four sides of a dash are equal in length. All four sides of a dash are equal in length. Is it, which figure it is, rectangle, square or triangle? Which one it is? Consider this figure, children. Can you have a look at this figure? All four sides equal in length. Let us consider some big, right? In a square, all four sides are equal in length, right? So, you have to choose answer square. Next one, conical objects have dash vertex. How many vertex are there for a conical object? Let us count the number of vertices for a conical object, right? Let us take a conical object. Where will you get cone? Let us see whether there is a cone or not. If not means we will draw, right? How many vertices are there for these children? How many vertices are there? You can draw either this like or like this also you can draw. But in any way you will get only one vertex, right? So a cone will have one vertex. And the next one, dash is a solid with 6 square faces. What is a solid with 6 square faces? Which is having 6 square faces? Children, if you observe the cube, how many faces are there for this cube? One top face, bottom face, right? Right side and this side, two sides, right? Two faces, 2 plus 2, 4, and front and back. Two more faces, 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many faces are there? 6 faces are there for a cube. Dash is a solid with 6 square faces. How many square faces are there for a cube? There are 6 square faces. So let us write cube. A triangle has dash sides and dash vertices. How many sides and vertices are there for a triangle? Consider this triangle, children. How many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3 vertices. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. So, how many vertices and how many sides are there for a triangle? There are 3 sides and 3 vertices for a triangle. Spherical objects have dash surface. Spherical objects have dash surface, whether it is flat, curved or closed. Let us have a look at the spherical objects, right? Is it a sphere? Right. Is there any flat surface? No. Is there any curved surface? Yes, there is a curved surface for a sphere, right? So, spherical objects have dash surface, curved surface. Okay, right. And the next one. A line segment has dash end points. How many end points are there for a line segment? 1 or 2? To draw any line segments, I will take one initial point and one final point, and I will join these 2 points, right? So, I need 2 points to draw a line segment. A dash has a fixed length. Line segment or ray or line. A line segment has fixed length. A line segment has fixed length. The notebook has dash surface. Children, you just observe your notebook, take it, and how is the surface of your notebook, whether it is curved or flat or closed. How it is? It is flat surface. So, what you will write? Flat. A dash has no length, breadth or depth. Which has no length, depth, breadth, point, line or ray. A ray will start from a point, okay, and it can be extended, and a line also, it will start from a point and it is also endless. If you observe a point, it don't have length, okay, it is not having any breadth, it is not having any depth. So, a point has no length, breadth or depth, okay. 2 straight lines can meet at only dash point. 2 straight lines can meet at only dash points. If you consider 2 straight lines, any 2 straight lines, okay, meet at only dash point. How many points? They will meet at only 1 point, right? Two straight lines can meet at only 1 point. Okay, children, hope you understood the session. Thank you.